Hi everyone. Today we are cooking Sri Lankan style chicken curry. This is not just a chicken curry. This is Sri Lanka on a plate. Bold spices, sizzling curry leaves, and that deep dark gravy that hits with heat and flavors. No coconut, just pure spices and natural yogurt. The yogurt gives a gentle creaminess while letting the spices shiny. Simple ingredients, slow cooking, deep flavors. Alright, let's get started. I am using 2.5 kilos of boneless chicken thigh fillet. Thigh meat stays really juicy and works perfect for this curry. Now we have to make the spice sauce. Heat up the pan. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil or any kind of oil. When it hot, in goes 1 big chopped onion, a whole head of garlic chopped, about an inch size ginger piece chopped. Then I am adding 3 chopped tomatoes. Now I am adding some whole spices for aroma. About 5-6 cardamom pods, a few cloves, and a piece of Sri Lankan cinnamon. Cook this until everything is nice and soft. Now this is ready to grind. Just add this into the blender. I am adding 3 heaped tablespoons of natural yogurt. About 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Adjust this to your spice level. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then 3 heaped teaspoons of curry powder. 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have already uploaded a video on how to make this spice powder. If you watched my biryani video, you can see how I made it. Anyway, honestly, you can just buy curry powder from any supermarket. That's work too. Now blend this into a smooth paste. Now we are in the last step. Let's start cooking the curry. Add your chicken into the pan. Then pour that beautiful spice sauce. Now add your curry leaves and salt to taste. Don't forget to rinse your blender and pour all that flavors into the pot. Give everything a good mix. Turn the heat to medium. Give it a stir from time to time so the spices don't stick to the bottom and burn the curry. Now check the color. If it's not bright enough, you can add little sweet paprika. That's what I am adding now. Let this cook until the chicken is perfectly cooked through. How long you cook, it depends on how much gravy you want. And this is the heart of Sri Lankan cooking. Rich, bold, and full of soul. Slow cooked spices, tender chicken, and that deep aroma you can almost taste through the screen. This is not just a curry, this is home tradition and comfort in every bite. Serve it hot with steamed rice and enjoy true Sri Lankan flavors. Thanks for watching.